Good morning, guys. I hope you had a good sleep. I woke up. Today's Monday and it's our weekly holiday, and I thought to make breakfast for us. So right now I'm in the kitchen. Okay, finally done with the breakfast. So simple. And here's tea. Let's try how it is. It's like uh, it's I made it for the first time, and it
is delicious.
Alhamdulillah liked it, means I'm happy then.
How long does it take?
To finish up all, it took I think 2 hours or something.
Wow. Such a great achievement.
Oh my god. I don't know. Not exactly 2 hours, maybe 1.5 or 1 and 45 minutes, something like that. I made it, it's like a paratha, but it was becoming like kind of pancake. So I was like, oh, pancake paratha. But it's good. Simple and healthy breakfast. We're going to make momo for the lunch. We ordered some vegetables from the blanket. It just received.
Stuff that we're going to put it in our momo. It's completely vegetarian.
What do we have in here?
We have onion,
Yes.
we have potato, and we have green leafy spring onion,
Yes.
along with ghee,
Yeah, okay.
little amount of salt, and masala.
So it's ready. Oh, the dough is there. Tired.
Oh, so hot.
Yeah, me too. Look at my face, it's kind of red. And let's stand up. Get up.
Today, Mama tango dia pun indah.
Oof.
Mama nak shoot that. Mama nak cakap sukan cadang dah. Mama spesial itu. Masa dah Mama tango dia pun cakap sah.
Allah.
Kasa ni tu ya cakap sah.
Wow, look at this talented girl.
Look at this gifted hands.
See. Wow. So, okay, now we completed our mission. We finished making momos, and now this dough left. So we will not just throw it away. It's a waste, right? So we'll make something out of this. You can see. It's like, yeah.
Mama nak cakap, Mama nak give me shove.
Wow, looks good. Wow, look at this. So talented.
Tea bodu tea.
Tea.
What's
Okay, I'll go and get. Now we have to cut it. In how many pieces? Cut.
pieces?
Okay, you can just.
Whichever you like.
Yeah. This is from the extra dough. It's like, what is this called?
You can name anything you want.
Anything I want. You can name anything you want, my viewers. Good to eat as a snack and easy to eat. For chutney, 1 tomato, garlic chili, we can mix this one. So we are done. Finally done. Okay, now we'll be going to Orin Mall. Orin Mall is not very far from here, and it's just maybe 3 kilometers, like that. Huh?
It's supposed to rain.
Okay, now we are on the way to Orin Mall. From here we have to walk for 10 minutes, and then we'll reach metro, and we'll be going by metro. It's just one station, right?
Yeah.
One station and
Mahalakshmi metro station
to
Central Factory.
yeah. So it's just one station, and from there, after getting off from the metro, we have to go again 5 to 10 minutes by walk, and then we'll reach Oren Mall, and I'll show you around. Okay, so bye. So there you can see Oren Mall. That's the Oren Mall. Oren Mall. There's one Anila. Oh, it's very rare to see Anilas and Tibetan over here. Right? so good in the AC. It was kind of hot outside. And now it feels good. Yeah. Now we are on the escalator. We ordered KFC. Oof, I was so hungry.
내 손곳을 독잖아 뜨겁고 멋지게 기뻐
We're going backside of Orange Mall. It's that is the World Trade Organization. So huge. Huge. Oh, this is new, Angela. They set up new one here. I didn't see last time when I came. Was it here? Yeah, look at this. And yeah, feels so good. Look at this windy and feels so good. Oh, and yeah. Oh, it feels so good. सच्ची में बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. मुझे ये जगह बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Okay, I like this place so much. Last time also when I came, I spent so much time over here. So yeah, looks good. Okay, now we are heading back to our place, to my room, to Mexican. It's almost 9 p.m. So we don't like to stay too late outside. And tomorrow we have to go for a walk. So it's better to be early and rest. How many? I'm just like that. Look at it, it's so beautiful. The place is just beautiful. Whenever I come in Orange Mall, I love to stay here in this area. This area. Now I'm back to my room, and I'll end my video here. So good night everyone, and have a good night. Sweet dreams.